Hey there, welcome to our channel where we talk about all things related to health and wellness. Today, we're going to dive into the benefits and risks of the carnivore diet. This diet has gained popularity in recent years, but is it right for you? In this video, we'll explore what you need to know before trying it. The carnivore diet is a diet that involves consuming only animal-based products and excluding all plant-based foods. Yes, that's right, no fruits, no vegetables, no grains, no legumes, just meat, eggs, and dairy. This diet originated from the belief that humans evolved to eat only meat and animal products. But is there any truth to this? Well, the science is still out on that one. While some people have reported positive results from the carnivore diet, health experts are still debating its safety and effectiveness. Despite the controversy surrounding the carnivore diet, there are some potential benefits to this way of eating. One of the most commonly reported benefits is weight loss. Many people have reported shedding unwanted pounds while on the carnivore diet. Another benefit is improved digestion. Because the diet eliminates all plant-based foods, which can be difficult for some people to digest, it can lead to less bloating and discomfort. Some people also report increased energy levels on the carnivore diet. And, interestingly enough, the carnivore diet may be beneficial for people with certain health conditions, such as autoimmune diseases. There are studies and anecdotal evidence that support the benefits of the carnivore diet. Now, let's talk about the potential risks associated with the carnivore diet. The biggest concern is the lack of fiber and other nutrients found in plant-based foods. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies and an increased risk of heart disease. While meat is a great source of protein, it doesn't contain all the vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. Another potential risk of the carnivore diet is an increased risk of colon cancer. There are studies and anecdotal evidence that support the risks of the carnivore diet. While the carnivore diet may work for some people, it's important to note that it's not suitable for everyone. In fact, there are certain groups of people who should avoid trying the carnivore diet altogether. Pregnant women, children, and people with certain medical conditions such as kidney disease, liver disease, and diabetes should consult with a healthcare professional before trying the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is very restrictive, and cutting out all plant-based foods can result in nutrient deficiencies. It's essential to ensure that you're getting all the necessary vitamins and minerals from your diet, and this can be difficult to achieve on a carnivore diet. It's also important to note that some people may experience negative side effects, such as constipation and bad breath. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new diet or lifestyle change, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition. Your healthcare provider can provide you with personalized advice based on your medical history and current health status. If you've decided to try the carnivore diet, there are a few things you can do to ensure that you do so safely. First, it's essential to gradually reduce the amount of plant-based foods you consume. This will give your body time to adjust to the new diet and prevent any digestive issues. Focus on nutrient-dense animal-based foods such as grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and pasture-raised eggs. These foods are rich in essential nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. Be sure to also include organ meats such as liver, which are a great source of vitamins and minerals. It's also important to monitor your health while on the carnivore diet. Keep track of your weight, energy levels, and any changes in your bowel movements or digestion. If you experience any negative side effects, such as constipation or diarrhea, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. In addition to monitoring your health, it's important to seek medical advice before starting any new diet or lifestyle change. Your healthcare provider can help you determine if the carnivore diet is right for you and provide personalized advice on how to follow it safely. In conclusion, the carnivore diet is a highly restrictive diet that involves consuming only animal-based products and excluding all plant-based foods. While there are potential benefits to the carnivore diet, such as weight loss and improved digestion, there are also potential risks such as nutrient deficiencies and an increased risk of heart disease. It's important to note that the carnivore diet may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant women, children, and people with certain medical conditions should avoid trying the carnivore diet without first consulting with a healthcare professional. If you've decided to try the carnivore diet, be sure to do so safely by gradually reducing the amount of plant-based foods you consume and focusing on nutrient-dense animal-based foods. Monitor your health while on the diet and seek medical advice if any issues arise. Remember, the carnivore diet has both benefits and risks, and it's essential to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional before trying it. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits and risks of the carnivore diet. We hope that you found the information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. If you've tried the carnivore diet before, be sure to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.